At some point, every homeowner hits the same question. Is it worth fixing the garage door again? Or is it time to replace it? That's usually when people start searching for a new garage door quote in Salt Lake City, not because they've already decided, but because they want real answers. And that's the right place to start. A true quote isn't just a number. It's a clear breakdown of what's going on with your current system, what your options are, and what makes the most sense for how you actually use your garage door every day. Because for some homes, a repair is enough. For others, replacing the door saves time, money, and frustration in the long run. Take springs, for example. If your door suddenly feels heavy or stops moving the way it should, there's a good chance the springs are worn or broken. A proper garage door spring replacement in Salt Lake City can bring your system back to life, but only if the rest of the door is still in solid condition. If not, you may be putting money into something that's already on its way out. That's where stepping back and looking at the full system matters. With garage door installation in Salt Lake City, you're not just swapping out a door, you're upgrading everything. Better balance, smoother movement, improved insulation, and a cleaner, more secure setup overall. And don't overlook the opener. If your current one is noisy, inconsistent, or just outdated, pairing a new door with garage door opener installation Salt Lake City makes a noticeable difference. It's quieter, more responsive, and built to handle the demand of modern systems. Now, of course, not every situation gives you time to plan. Sometimes the door just stops working. It won't open, it won't close, or something breaks without warning. Now that's when emergency garage door repair in Salt Lake City becomes the priority. Getting your home secure again and your routine back on track as quickly as possible. But even in those moments, it helps to understand what you're dealing with. Now, whether it's a quick repair or a bigger issue, knowing your options puts you in control. At the end of the day, your garage door is something you rely on constantly. It should be dependable, safe, and built to last. And when you start with a real quote, one that actually looks at your home, your needs, and the condition of your system, you're not guessing anymore. You're making a decision that makes sense. Call us right now so we can help close the door on stress for you. 385-200-9203.